Hey there, folks. If you're watching this, you're probably in Illinois and dealing with the stress of job loss, wondering how to file for unemployment benefits. Don't worry. I'm here to break it all down for you in a simple, step-by-step way. This video will help you navigate the process smoothly so you can get the support you need as quickly as possible. First things first, let's talk about eligibility. To qualify for unemployment in Illinois, you generally need to have worked and earned wages in the state, be unemployed through no fault of your own, and be actively seeking work. The Illinois Department of Employment Security, IDES, handles all of this, so head over to their official website, that's ides.illinois.gov, to get started. Step 1. Gather your documents. You'll need things like your social security number, recent pay stubs, your employer's details, and information about why you lost your job. Having these ready will make the process a lot easier and faster. Next, create an account on the IDES website. It's straightforward. Just provide your personal info and verify your identity. Once you're logged in, look for the File a New Claim section. Fill out the online application form carefully. It asks about your work history, earnings, and the reason for your unemployment. Be honest and accurate to avoid any delays. After submitting your claim, you'll get a confirmation, and IDES will review it. This usually takes a couple of weeks, but keep an eye on your email or the portal for updates. Oh, and remember, you might need to certify your job search weekly to continue receiving benefits. A quick tip. If you run into issues, IDES has a helpline you can call for assistance. And always double-check the website for the latest requirements, as things can change. Filing for unemployment might feel overwhelming, but you've got this. It's designed to help you during tough times. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical advice. Stay strong, and let's get you back on your feet. See you next time.